How's it going, everybody? Brad Driggers here with Geoponics and Endurant Turf Colorants. Today we're going to be doing a quick video to show you guys how to use our products. We're getting a lot of questions coming in and we want to answer those questions as best we can. So we're going to make this video, we're going to show you guys how to use the Endurant products successfully. So whether you're a homeowner just looking to beautify your own lawn, or whether you're a landscape professional, we're going to show you how to use these products from start to finish. So let's get going. So these are our Endurant turf colorants as well as our mulch colorants. The Endurant Premium is a natural color of green. It's best used for Bermuda grass. The Endurant FW is our darkest, richest tone of green. We use it a lot in the golf course industry, but we also use it in some landscape applications if you're looking to paint some cool season turf like bluegrass or fescue, or if you're looking for a dark, rich color of Bermuda grass, this is also a very good product to use. So the Endurant Perennial Rye is probably our most common color when it comes to landscape applications. It's a very bright, vibrant color of green. It's used a lot for zoysia grass, centipede, as well as St. Augustine. The mix ratio on all three of these colors is a 15-to-1 mix ratio, so 8 ounces of product to every gallon of water. Next, we'll talk about our mulch colorants. These are great products to use if you have old, faded out mulch. They are also mixed in at 8 ounces to every gallon of water. We also have this available in pine straw color as well, so if you're looking to spruce up your old, faded out pine straw, this is a great color for that as well. These products are non-toxic and pet friendly. There's no difference in rate, and there's no difference in coverage in any of these three products. It's simply a color preference and also what type of turf you have. So people often ask, what kind of coverage am I gonna get out of these products? Typically, you're gonna get up to 10,000 square feet. Now, there's a lot of factors that go into that 10,000 square feet coverage. One being height of cut, another also being level of dormancy. So typically on completely dormant turf, you're gonna get about 4,000 to 7,000 square feet with a gallon of our product. Another common question that's asked is, how long does it last? Typically, you're gonna get between 2 to 3 months coverage. We do get common questions related to weather. What if it rains or what if it snows? Well, once these products have had time to dry to the leaf blade or to the mulch beds, they are not going to re-wet or bleed off the leaf blade. Typically, what we like to see is about 8 to 12 hours between you painting and any substantial rainfall. If you have further questions, please visit our website, turfpaint.net. Otherwise, check out our next video where we're going to talk about mixing instructions, preparation of the turf, and the actual application of the product.